Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a closer look at another factory custom that is extremely rare and looks extremely cool, and that is going to be on Golden the King strip weathers. Of course, this is one of the last gold cars that the factory custom line made, and they went out with a bang, and he looks absolutely amazing in gold. Shame we don't have that many gold cars actually released by Mattel, but if they made a gold king, that would look just as cool. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with this review. So of course he didn't appear in the movie in this paint job, so I don't have to add a picture. So yeah, that is that part out of the way. So he's got this nice smiling expression at the front here. It's 43 on, of course, the headlights, or where the headlights would lift up. He's got Dinoco on his hood with the dinosaur with the egg, pretty sweet. The golden hood looks amazing. He's got brown eyes with the golden eyelids. On the top, 43 with gold, looks pretty cool. Of course, got the black 43, which reads right there, with this golden plastic spoiler, which looks really cool. I know it's plastic, but it's really hard to paint plastic, so props to China for making that factory custom look so cool. Lightyear rims at the bottom. We've got all the piston cup sponsors here. 43, Dinoco, of course, in gold too, looks amazing. Exhaust pipes down here, again rims. The only silver part is this back bumper, but that is accurate to the movie, of course. 43, and of course here is the base. So yeah, that is all for, of course, Golden the King. What I'm going to do now is, of course, quickly compare him to some actual releases, being Silver the King. Looks pretty cool with those blue rims, can't go wrong. Here are the two bases, because one is made in Thailand. That is the Silver the King. Here is Regular the King. You see some differences. Looks pretty cool. This one is made in Thailand from 2005, by the way. And we've also got, of course, my least favourite one, just because of the lenticular eyes, Metallic the King. I wish I had the factory custom one with fixed eyes. Maybe I'll get that in the future. Looks pretty cool. So, what I'm going to do now is bring them all out again. And of course, I'll do a quick outro for you. And of course, photos as usual. Thank you to everybody who watched this far into the review of Golden the King. Comment down your thoughts on what you think of him. Of course, if you own him in your collection, if you do, you're very, very lucky as well. Of course, if you are new, make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell notification down below, leave a like, all that stuff. Of course, the next one, peace guys.